Hello everyone, it is Erin Flutter here, and I am doing a quick flip through of my journal from the beginning of the year, January through June. I don't really have a lot to say other than I very much switched styles right around March. Things just got incredibly busy for me at work, so I had to adapt my style to fit how things were going at work. And again, that is one of the things that I love about the bullet journal system is that you can very much adapt things. So at the beginning of the year, I was still going for like this daily spread for doing some more of those sketch notes and things like that. But when it came down to it around March, mostly around April, I developed a weekly that works really well for me, which is a rolling weekly and then having space for each of the days. So my rolling weekly I would use for tasks that happen often throughout the week. And then for my dailies, the daily sections, it would be tasks that are very singular to that day. I've also changed things now that I am back in the office and I have been taking another notebook with me. And honestly, this is because I have a lot of moving parts in my job right now. And one of the reasons why I don't write things very forthcoming in my bullet journal is because I share my bullet journal spreads with you. And I work in the federal government and I work in enforcement. So a lot of those things are confidential. So I cannot let you guys know what I do in my day to day life. So instead of writing inspection at blank, I will just write inspection. And so because I have so many things going on right now, I kind of need to break it down a little bit more. So having another notebook has been really helpful for me to break it down a little bit more so that my brain isn't going crazy. But that leaves my notebook very vague in terms of my work stuff, but it has been working for me really well for everything else that I have going on business-wise and at home. So this is my entire flip through. I have really enjoyed it. I am glad I am back in a white notebook. I do have an interesting plan for 2023 to help me when it comes to using both black paper and white paper, and I can't wait to unveil that plan to you. But for now, that is all I have. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.